Hello learners. Welcome to a new exciting video of this TypeScript playlist. In this video, we will go through the concept of abstract classes and 4 pillars of object-oriented programming in details. If you are watching this video, make sure to watch this video from playlist. Do subscribe this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Do access this playlist from the link in the description. I create videos mostly on web development and prompt engineering. Let's start the video. As the first pillar we have encapsulation. Encapsulation is about bundling the properties and methods into a single class. It also involves restricting access to certain details of an object using private, protected and public access modifiers. Let's understand this through a quick demonstration. This keyword represents this variable. As you can see, using private access modifier we have encapsulated balance property inside the class bank account. So to fetch the details of balance we need to access it using getter method getBalance. Moving on to the second pillar of OOPS, which is abstraction. Abstraction means showing only the essential features of an object and hiding the background details or implementation. In order to implement abstraction, first we need to understand the concept of abstract classes. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated directly. It is designed to be inherited by other class. It can contain 2 methods. Abstract method, which cannot be implemented directly inside abstract class. Concrete method, which can be implemented directly inside abstract class. Let's implement it in our code and understand this more effectively. This is a demonstration of how we write abstract class in our code. Next we will see the demonstration of concrete and abstract method. As you can see an error line in the abstract method. This is because we cannot write implementation of abstract method within abstract class. Also, As discussed, we cannot instantiate or create objects for an abstract class directly. For that we need to apply inheritance. As name is set to private, so it is showing error. As you can see, we have been able to apply the property of abstraction using abstract class and inheritance. Inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and methods from parent class. We implement inheritance using extend keyword. Just now we have seen its demonstration in the previous abstract class example. Let's create one more subclass as cat for the parent class animal. Fourth and last pillar we have as polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects to be treated as instances of their parent class but behave differently based on the actual class. There are two types. Compile time, method overloading, not directly supported in TypeScript. Runtime, method overriding, supported by inheritance. Let's see an example of method overriding, as method overloading is not supported in TypeScript. You can see on inheriting the parent class, shape, for each of its subclass, we are overriding the method draw, which shows polymorphism. As each subclass like circle and square is behaving differently based on the parent class. Shape class draw method is drawing shape. Circle class draw method is drawing circle, and square class draw method is drawing square. This was all in this video. Hope I was able to explain the topic clearly. If so, like this video, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Also comment your suggestion which part you like the most, as this channel is new and needs your support. Join our Discord server from link in the description. See you very soon in the next video. Bye.